Hey everyone, this came up in a recent conversation, and well, a long time ago when I first started looking at RVs, I was going to a lot of RV shows, and I was noticing that they weren't all the same, and I quickly realized what was going on. There are two kinds of RV shows out there, and I'll only really go to one for the most part. There's the kind of RV show where you go and there's multiple vendors and there's multiple dealers there who are all fighting for your attention. They all want to give you the best deal and they're basically competing with each other all in the same area. It's kind of like a marketplace, and it's a great place to get the best deals and really draw the best information and learn what you want from the dealers while they're all competing with each other. That is a great RV show. Now, admittedly, sometimes you got to pay a little fee to get in, but that's because there's some organizer who's, putting it all together and renting a facility, and that's how it is. And then there's the other kind, and that's the one where you show up and there's only one dealership there. And it's basically just that dealership. And it's not technically an RV show, right? It's just an extension of that dealer's parking lot. Now, if you want to go to that dealership to look at some RV that's at that dealership, sure, go ahead, go to their show, go to the dealership, that's fine. I'm not saying don't go, but you're not really going to an RV show where there's going to be multiple dealers all in one spot. And that's really what you want when you're out there looking for an RV. Number one, you're going to see the widest variety of choices. And number two, again, they're all competing for your attention and for your dollar. And that's where you want them as a buyer. Now, those single dealership ones, the cool thing there is, well, they're free. I guess you're going there basically to be a captive audience to that one dealership versus you having all these other dealers fighting over your attention. So keep that in mind when you're out there looking at RV shows. Ask yourself, is this a multi-vendor RV show or is this just a single RV show from a single dealer? Because you might as well just head to the dealership for that. I hope that makes sense. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day and get busy living.